Boomtown 2020 continues now, so let's turn to another truly unique idea from the team at FLX Solutions.
I'm Matt Bilski, founder of FLX Solutions.
And I'm Jill, and I look after operations.
I founded the company 7 years ago and just recently was searching for somebody to help with the operations and business tasks and found Jill through AngelList.
Yeah, I think, our first month and a half was mainly in a Google Hangout, and we got to meet, I guess, about 2.5, 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
In person.
I think we're surprisingly similar, yet very different people. We seem to approach things very differently and kind of balance each other out in a lot of surprising ways, given the fact we met online.
And also, I think we're coming from, even though we're both American, coming at it from very different kind of culture perspectives, which is healthy.
And from FLX Solutions, their founder and CEO.
I believe that technology should be able to help solve the simple problems we struggle with every day. Problems like running wires through walls without a mess, or being able to inspect the insides of a home before buying it. Technology should make on-the-job injuries for utility workers a thing of the past, and we should be able to easily inspect and maintain our aging infrastructure. What do these seemingly disparate problems have in common? They're actually the same issue: getting where we can't easily get and doing what we can't currently do. Robotics might seem like the natural solution, but their average price of $50,000 and high complexity makes service robots inaccessible. What we really need are smart tools. Today's smart tools are little more than a power drill with Bluetooth added. But why do I need my phone to drill a hole? To be a truly smart tool, it should be affordable, flexible, and rather than taking jobs, it should make us better at what we do. Hi, I'm Dr. Matt Bilski, an inventor turned contractor turned mechanical engineering professor. I founded FLX Solutions out of my own frustrations on the job to define the smart tools market. Let me show you the first smart tool, the FlexBot. The FlexBot is a snake-like robot, 1 inch in diameter, that costs less than 1/10 of typical robots. One of the coolest things is that all the FlexBot links are identical. This means we only need to perfect a single, modular link, allowing for mass production and scale. Users can then connect any number of links together as needed for a specific job. The 3D printable links contain our patent-pending extension and rotation mechanism. This allows it to brace and climb in all 3 dimensions. Once positioned, it can withstand high-load activities such as drilling. Different tools can be easily interchanged on the end, and every link has a camera allowing for immersive imaging. All of this functionality is tied together by our software that makes operating the FlexBot easy and intuitive. Let me show you 2 examples of industries where this can be a game changer. The utility industry has miles of overhead wiring like this that technicians must inspect and maintain while avoiding dangers such as high voltage power lines. So what if utilities could replace $340,000 bucket trucks with a $2,500 smart tool? Here's another picture of what we're talking about. Simply adding an outlet to an existing house can require holes to be cut in the wall, leading to messes and collateral damage. We can eliminate the average $5,000 spent repairing this damage on a single job with a $2,500 smart tool. That's the power of the FlexBot. The FLX Solutions team of startup veterans and technical experts are changing the face of robotics by making them affordable and easy to use, which is the start of the smart tool revolution. At FLX Solutions, we're making technology work for us and emptying square jars across the country with smart tools. How would you use a FlexBot?
So that's Matt from FLX bringing us some tech that hopes to both save lives and money. What did you think about it, Dan?
Barbara, I love the pitch. And as an engineer, I absolutely love the technology. I describe it to friends as state-of-the-art micromechanics, adding in embedded software with multiple processors, little tiny flex circuits. Then you add in Wi-Fi and cameras and you jam it all in a 1-inch tube and put it together to create a robot. It's a really versatile product that I absolutely love. And just like Matt said, it's a smart tool. What do you want to do with it? That's where I think Jill has come in to help the team. and really defined the product space, the initial product space, because right now there's so many areas it could go into. And once they conquer that first initial product space, I really feel like they're going to then go into the next industry and the next industry. And we're going to see Flex solutions in many different industries, and I'm excited for where they're going to go.
For me, it feels mind-boggling, and it sounds like it could be an incredibly useful piece of equipment. What are your thoughts on Flex, Scott?
You know, Barbara, I'll start by piling on with what Dan said. It really is an amazing piece of technology, very, very clever. The design is just so well thought out. But you know what, Dan and I have actually talked previously about Flex, in particular the CEO, Matt. What's really interesting is I love entrepreneurs that find a way to create whole new market categories. It's hard to do. Matt's really done that with this notion of a smart tool. And he's got a platform really around this product that can open up whole new markets simply because it's not been done before. So I'm excited to see where Matt goes with this.
Thanks again, mentors. Moving on.